How to fix Shein app not working on Android device. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Shein. Move into this application. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application. Once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, head over to apps and then head over to the application Shein. Proceed to storage and cache. Over here, you have to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Shein application. Well, you can also force stop this application and uninstall the app and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Shein app not working on Android. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.